Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Bring 2 liters of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. This seasons pasta and raises boiling point slightly. Use roughly 2 liters of water for 200 grams of dry pasta so the temperature stays steady and noodles don't clump. Add pasta only after the water returns to a full boil at 100 degrees C, stir immediately, and keep the boil lively without overflow. Maintain uncovered rolling boil to ensure even cooking and to activate starch release for better sauce adhesion. Cook most dried pasta between 7 and 11 minutes and taste at 7 minutes for doneness. Aim for al dente, which means tender but with a firm center. Reserve 1/2 cup of pasta water before draining. Its starch helps emulsify sauces and adjust consistency without diluting flavor. Stir pasta occasionally during cooking to prevent clumping and ensure even heat exposure. Do not rinse unless making a cold pasta salad. Immediate saucing retains surface starch for better sauce adhesion. Toss hot pasta with sauce in the pan over low heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or 30 grams of butter to enrich flavor and sheen. Finish by simmering together for 1 to 2 minutes so the sauce thickens and clings, using reserved pasta water to loosen if necessary. Add 20 grams grated cheese and a handful of chopped fresh herbs for brightness, then taste and adjust salt or acid. Serve immediately on warm plates to preserve texture and aroma for optimal eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.